You want to know how to make an awesome cup of coffee? Watch part 3. You want to know how to be the best dad ever? Spoil your kids. Seriously, guys. I put in that other video some things that I'm messing with. Roasting my own green coffee beans. It's a process. It's not easy. It takes time. But guys, I'm always messing around. I'm always putting into practice something new, as many of you know. And some of you don't know, but that's all good. I don't always reveal what I'm doing until I put it out in seminars, and then I let you know. But I let people know who are students, who want to be students. See, I earn the information by putting it into practice myself, and or with my kids, and or with people who are willing to take the journey with me when they are coached by me. And then we take the best of what we know and we continue to implement. Some of the stuff, guys, it really is hard, but there is an expression from Socrates. He says, an unexamined life is not worth living, and I couldn't agree more. Let me say it one more time. An unexamined life is not worth living. What he's really saying is take interest in things. And as soon as you take an interest in something, it's amazing what the mind does. And I promise you, if you take an interest in your health, and instead of telling me how hard it is, instead you get real geeky with it, get a little nerdy with it, keep going deeper into it, and you're going to see that your body keeps giving back. Your brain keeps giving back. Your energy keeps giving back. It's an amazing thing. Despite circumstances in life, you have something, you have a rock that you can depend upon. Whether that's, exercise, meditation, your eating, your whole well-being aligns with the person that you're becoming. So it's a function of becoming. And we all go through stuff, guys. There's no question about it. There's no question about it. But the bottom line is, what you take interest in, your mind will take you very, very far. And if you allow it to happen with your health, in the kitchen, what you put down your throat, how you move your body, get your mind into your body instead of just going to move your body and work out. How about you train instead? Meaning you're training something. You put your brain into your body and you train your body. That's the key. So I got an email yesterday from a friend of a friend asking, hey, what do you think of this concoction? First thing in the morning, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon lime extract, 1 teaspoon ginger root extract. 1/4 cup of honey is a lot of honey, everybody. Maybe you use a teaspoon of honey. I'm a big fan of apple cider vinegar. I have no problems with that. I would actually just use a squeezed lime. I actually have the nutcracker looking thing that squeezes the limes or the lemon. So usually when I do take apple cider vinegar, I'll squeeze 2 halves of lemons into the glass. And I'll actually use just fresh ginger. I'll just cut up ginger root. I use fresh ginger all the time. I cut up ginger root, put it into my teas, whatever. I'll actually chew the ginger, the slices of ginger, and then I'll also add a little cayenne pepper to this with just a teaspoon, just 1 little teaspoon of Manuka honey, and then I'll take my curcumin pill with black pepper. I know that's a lot. Again, it's a little nerdy, but this is a concoction that's, I think, incomplete, and I think it's just way too much honey. It's a lot of sugar. So there's my thoughts on that. Wanted to thank all of you for being in kettlebell class today. It was awesome. We had like 25 people, and that was a lot of fun. We'll keep making it better and better. I got some feedback from you guys, and it's some easy things that we can fix, but that was a lot of fun. The one thing I will say is I can tell that many of you went back and watched this video of me explaining the 10 tips for a kettlebell swing. It's really important that you know those 10 tips. And it was evident to me that most of you watched it because your technique looked really good. However, guys, there are many other videos I did over the past few weeks that you need to watch because we're going to keep incorporating things. Especially watch the lunge video, which I'll put right here. And we're going to incorporate some other upper body stuff. But the stuff that we did with the cans today, I'll put that link to that video right here on isometrics. Guys, you got to admit, you didn't think it was going to be that freaking hard to hold 2 cans in your hand and do the stuff that we did. But we're going to keep evolving, guys. We're going to keep going. That was a lot of fun. Thank you all. It's $10 a class. So if you know friends that want to or can keep up with that type of pace, fantastic. If not, if they can't swing the bells, they can just do body weight squats. But that was a lot of fun, guys. Here's a quick bicep flex for you on the way out. Boom. All right, everybody. Have a great rest of the day.